So we're here at the speed shop and I am taking out these two big babies so we can get them filled. Man, they've been in the freezer all night to get more nitrous.
Threw me out of the boat.
Really?
At 75 outside, I ought to be like it.
It's freezing cold.
Yeah. Kind of a lot too.
Shift right here under his leg.
Really?
It had a chain drive and a belt drive.
Full cover in the back.
I got some good news and some bad news. I might be able to get you a little bit of nitrous. You waited too long. We ran out here over the weekend, so I got it ordered and we'll be able to tomorrow. So I can see if I can get something in there. Some test your lines and all that. That's what I do.
No, I just need them filled. So, oh, that sucks.
If you want to put some in there so you can test your...
Nobody can.
Tested everything. I'm good with that. I'm just ready to go. But
Well, man, that's all right. I don't know what I can get you. I'm just trying. We ran out on the weekend. Night that everybody went nuts, you know.
yeah. I mean, are you able to keep them cold here?
Keep them in the freezer, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I just leave them here. I mean, until you can get them stacked up, man. I'm good.
Give me a... See, we get
There
back.
you go. All right. Yeah, just let me know, cause I mean I leave tomorrow night, but that'd be before y'all. I mean that'd be after y'all close, so but I can come get them tomorrow if y'all build up for me.
Yeah.
That'd be perfect.
Yeah, it'll be cool when we get them out of there. It takes about 30 seconds to fill them with the frozen.
Yeah.
All right, man, we'll get you going here.
All right, I appreciate it.
Hey, thank you, dude.
And it's a nice helmet. So we got all of our AN fittings right here. Got all your nitrous stuff over here. Man, I mean the speed shop is definitely the place to be. They got a plethora of things around here. So, I mean, we have a nice, awesome speed shop. They can get us anything we possibly want. They can order it. And we got, dang, it's actually some of the line I needed for the clutch right here. But we need a different fitting. So we'll wait on that. Let's see. Let's go. Gonna test this out here. So go accessory.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Arm the nitrous.
arming the nitrous. It's armed.
Push the button. So right now we're going to actually send the full current through that little button. So we're just going to do it very quick and momentarily.
Okay.
So off the button.
So hit the button now.
Off it. No.
I'm off of it.
Off. Okay. Tap the button. Perfect.
Boy,
There you go.
I hear it.
So that
Yep.
means what I basically did, I took the Motec out of the,
Out of the loop.
yeah. But that will be the trigger for the Motec. This will be the signal out from the Motec, and then this is the signal out to the fuel pump chutes or
Man,
looks good.
it does look good. Solenoid sounds like a monster up there. That's a big solenoid.
Off the button.
Off of it.
Tap it. Tap it. Cool. Purge it.
Bam. There we go. Had to hit the double tap on that thing to make it freaking send fuel all the way through there. Like, I know you want to start. We're not doing that yet. Man, it's like I want to start it, but I know it's not going to start. So it's like, why try it right now? I'm gonna wait.
Well,
all right, bottle heater test. Let's see, accessory, and I'm going to hit the button now.
all right. Bottle heater on. There goes our relay.
There we go. So,
About it. Already heating up.
oh sweet.
That's good.
Turn it off.
And let me confirm that, yep. Okay, so both longs go together, both
Okay.
shorts go together.
Sweet.
Pretty easy. Testing the short one, driver's side,
All right, heater on.
relay clip. There goes the heat.
Heck yeah.
Perfect.
Lay off.
Hell yeah.
Woo.
No fuck-ups.
We got nitrous, boys. Man, that switch is dope. Ah. Oh man. Let's see. So got pretty much everything done here. We wrapped all the motor stuff up last night. Kevin came in here and terminated all of our lines that were coming out of the hood. And we have the 3 pins that you see fraying out right there. Those go into our Motec to tell the Motec what to do, but we're gonna wait and pin those until we get to Texas. So that way they know exactly which output and input that they want for when they tune the car. So we are good. If y'all hear the sound of rotary, that's Kevin about to leave in his repo truck. That thing is sick. It's a nasty little truck. Might get us a little video on that later on when we come back, but boy, I know you hear it. All right, couldn't forget about you guys. So Kevin finished all the wiring today, as you saw. We checked the nitrous, the arm switch works, the purge works. Both solenoids click on when I hit that magical giggity button on the red shift knob. So let's come back here to the trunk. I've already started putting the carpet in. So putting the carpet back in, I got the heater sitting on top, and I'm about to see how I'm gonna route these lines in this pristine harness that Kevin made. Man, he's really the mad scientist when it comes to this, because he got everything looking like we got a factory nitrous system on here wired up. Man, it is bananas. But can't stress enough the attention to detail that he paid to every step in the build of this wiring harness for the car. We got our booster pump hooked up. We got everything done back here, and hopefully we can fire this thing up tomorrow. So it's ready to start right now, but we're gonna wait until tomorrow, go through all of our checklists and make sure everything is good, and hopefully, man, we get that oh so glorious shipping notification that the Pro Charger is en route. So fingers crossed, Monday that we get that notification that we can take some of this back apart, which we're going to just take the air intake off and everything to make room for the Pro Charger. So if we get that notification, if we get it, we will be in here on Monday pulling that stuff back apart so we can be fully ready for that thing to show up. And me, Cody, and Mark, it'll be all hands on deck, and we're going to crunch that thing out so we can be ready to come to TX2K. So we will be right there with y'all. Y'all get to see it here. And I'm sorry that I've been so late on these videos. My goodness, there's just so much going on. And I cranked out that Daddy Caddy video that night we were up here just because that was a pretty hot topic around here. So I wanted to get that video done. But I have not forgot about this build, and I'm probably gonna be launching multiple episodes on today and Monday. Hopefully I may get one up tonight. So you'll start seeing these, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this carpet in and route the lines, and I'll be right back with you. So here you go. All right, so I have wrapped up what I needed to do back here. Got everything sitting pretty. So let's look at it. Got our nitrous bottles mounted. Got our heaters on. Heaters plugged up. Bottles plugged up. Mount it to the car. So we are good back here for the full nitrous install. And down here at the bottom, which you can see here, got our booster pump. Of course, I got battery disconnected. But all of our wiring comes down here, and man, you see how good that blends with the factory harness? All that stuff is in there. Our relays are kept separate over here. Got fusible links right there. Man, but it's just really nice job. So we're gonna throw our trunk cover over, and you won't see any of this. Everything will be completely hidden, and I love it. So I think that will be about it for me tonight, and we'll come back tomorrow, try to tie up some odds and ends, and see if we can fire this bad boy up. You know, I need to load the base map on it, but if we get that notification tomorrow, we're gonna have to wait. So, but stay tuned to the next episode. See you later. I'm out.